Hey, just a quick shop short. Earlier in a previous video, I had mentioned that I was going to use wood on either side screwed down so I could batch cut jobs. Well, I actually came up with a better solution. Years ago, for a different project, I bought these 1/4 thumb screws. Like MasterCar is your friend. They have 1 inch in diameter caps on them. These are knurled caps. And my grid is 1/4, so perfect. So now I screw them down to the spoil board, and I can just throw a piece of work in there and continue on doing a batch cut. And with this, I don't have to worry about sawdust and bits getting caught between the workpiece and whatever piece of wood I was going to put here. Let's get close and I'll show you what I mean. Here you go. So I've got these 4 screwed in right now, and they follow the grid lines. They're in line, and everything is square to the router head. So I just take a piece of wood, slip it in there, clamp it down, and I can just take it out, put another piece in. I have a batch job coming up. I'm doing some 6 heddles for some tape looms we're building. So that just slides in there. Any chips are out of the way, and I can just in, out, and cut them all out in a fairly short order. So I'm going to start that job and do a quick, I won't do a start. I'll just show you the finish, and I'll take the piece out and put the piece in. That's it. That's a simple way I do batch jobs on my little CNC machine. And here's a batch job. I've got 6 of these heddles for a floor loom. Google HETTLES heddles if you want to see what these are for. We're building 3 more of these tape looms for some customers. Actually, 2 for customers and 1 in-house. We'll have one in case somebody wants another one. Wants one. Anyway, until next time, make great things out of wood.